Hello my dear student, today I am coming with a new chapter, that is your health and hygiene. Okay, what do you mean by the health? As you know that the health is wealth. Okay, if you are having a good health, it means you can do everything with cheerful and enjoying your life. Okay, so what does it mean? Health, it means you should have to be physically, mentally and social well-being. This is the main definitions of health. Okay. See student, if you are not having any types of disease, it doesn't means that you are a healthy. Okay. Healthy, it means you have to be well in physical, mental and social. Okay. Now if you are not having any types of disease, I had already clear. Now if you are having any types of depression or you don't want to anything but it is happening in your life, it means you are disturbing by your mind. It means you are not fit according to your mentally. So you are not healthy. It is called you are not healthy. Okay. Now come to the point of about the social. Social, it means you have to be a socially well-being. It means someone is throwing a garbage near your house, or you can see that the someone is killing some animals, are doing something rubbish, or someone is abusing to you. It means these all are under the social. It means you are not well-being by your socially. Okay, you are not well by socially, so it is not called you are healthy. So entire the conclusion, it means that health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being in which disease and infirmity are absent. Get it my point? Health, it means you have to be fit by the physically, mentally as well as socially. Get it my point? So student, you must know that to stay healthy, we should exercise daily. As you know that exercise daily, have a good balanced diet. Okay, protect ourselves from disease, maintain hygiene. You should take care of your maintenance of hygiene. Okay, and take adequate rest and sleep. These all things are necessary to keep to stay healthy. Get it my point students? So as you know that if you are going to take a balanced diet, then what will be coming in this topic later we will discuss. Okay. So student, earlier we had already discussed about what does it mean, what do you mean by healthy. Healthy, it means you should have to be physically, mentally and socially well-being. Okay. So to stay healthy, we should do what we should do. We should exercise regularly, take adequate rest and sleep, maintain hygiene, protect ourselves from any types of diseases. Okay, have a proper balanced diet. Okay, so these are the things which is need to be a still healthy. Okay, so student, as you know that here I have noted down for you that components of food. What does it mean? As you know children, we eat different types of food which gives us energy to work and play, to grow and to make our body strong and healthy. Okay. As you know, food contains some essential substances that is called nutrients. What are the name of nutrients? And nutrients is required for our growth, maintenance and repair of our cell. Basically, you know that since morning to late night we eat different kinds of dishes. So tell me, all the dishes having same nutrients value? No. All are having different components of food. So here I am going to discuss about the components of food. What are the first one is your carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, basically you should know that carbohydrate gives us a lot of energy to work and play. From where we can get the carbohydrate? Definitely we are eating chapati. We are going to eat rice. These all are having in the form of sugar and starch. Sugar and starch are the two main components of carbohydrate. Two main types of carbohydrate you can say. Okay. So you should know that from which food item we can get the carbohydrate. later we will discuss one by one. Okay, students. So next one is your fat. Fat, like carbohydrate, it is also a energy giving food, but it gives much more energy in compared to the carbohydrate. Okay, from which we can get from meat, egg yolk, cheese, cream. These all are the food item by which we can get the appropriate amount of fat. Okay, so let's move towards the protein. Student, you must remember that protein is a body building food. From where we can get the protein? Pulses. What pulses is having high amount of protein. Okay, and minerals help us for grow. We need actually protein for body building, and energy giving food we can get from carbohydrate and fat. So like these, mineral also a basic need for our nutrients. Okay, the same thing from the roughage and water. This is also a very most important properties of component of food. Roughage are the fiber which is present in our food. They help us to get rid of undigested food. Okay, some sources of roughage are like green vegetable and fruits. These all are having the roughage. And water, basically you know that we should have drink more than 8 glass of water in a day. Okay, so from what vitamin keeps us fit, improve appetite, and increase our ability to fight any types of disease. This is also very helpful. So these all are the things, these all are the component of food. These all are having the different nutrients value. Okay, so later we will discuss something more.